Welcome back to SGS online classes. Today in class 5 EVS, I will start worksheet. So student, this worksheet is based on chapter 10 pollution. In chapter 10 pollution, we have studied about biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Student, what is the benefit of worksheet? Worksheet makes our content creative and interesting. So it is easy to understand. Now student, what is biodegradable waste? Waste which decay naturally and not cause any harm to soil. That waste is biodegradable waste. And what is non-biodegradable waste? Which cannot decay. Which cannot decay naturally and causes harm to soil. So, non-biodegradable waste which does not decay easily and causes harm to soil, and biodegradable waste which can decay naturally and easily and it not causes harm to soil. So student, here we have waste materials, list of waste materials. So in this list of waste material, what we have to do, we have to categorize it, which waste material is biodegradable waste and which waste material is non-biodegradable waste. So starting from first waste material, spoiled food, vegetable peels, dried leaves, tube lights, buckets, medicine bottles, banana peels, cow dung cakes, soft drink can, newspaper, glass paperweight, pencil shavings. Student, now we have to select that which waste material is biodegradable and which waste material is non-biodegradable. Student, spoiled food, if you throw the spoiled food in soil, what happens? It decays naturally. Vegetable peels, if you throw the vegetable peels in soil, what happens? It decays naturally. So spoiled food is what? It is biodegradable waste. Vegetable peel is what? Biodegradable waste. Dried leaves, biodegradable waste. Tube lights, non-biodegradable waste. Buckets, non-biodegradable waste. Bucket is either of plastic or it is of metal, non-biodegradable waste. Medicine bottles, non-biodegradable waste. Banana peels, biodegradable waste. Cow dung cakes, biodegradable waste. Soft drink can, non-biodegradable waste. Newspaper, biodegradable waste. Glass paperweight, non-biodegradable waste. Student, pencil shavings, non-biodegradable waste. Now write it in the column. First, biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. First one is spoiled food. Spoiled food. Second, vegetable peels. Vegetable peels. Third, dried leaves. Fourth one, banana peels. Banana peels. Fifth, cow dung cakes. Sixth, newspaper. Now student, non-biodegradable waste, tube light, bucket, medicine bottles, fourth, soft drink can, soft drink can. Fifth one, glass paperweight, glass paper weight. Now sixth, pencil, shavings. So student, one fact about newspaper. Newspaper is biodegradable waste, but ink used in newspaper, that is toxic, that is harmful for the soil. That ink is non-biodegradable. So student, newspaper is biodegradable, but ink used in newspaper, that is harmful. So now next worksheet. Now student, unscramble the words. Unscramble the words. So what are these words? Student, first, we should collect dash in a dustbin in our houses. We should collect, it is blank, in a dustbin in our houses. Now ERABGAG. So what it is, student? Garbage. Garbage. Now second, flies, mosquito, and it is blank, breed in the garbage. Breed in the garbage. SONDRET. So student, what it is? It is rodents. Rodents. Student, what is rodent? It is like a rat. It is warm-blooded mammals, and it transmit diseases. So it is very dangerous. So this SONDRET is what? It is rodents. Now third, diseases like, it is blank, typhoid and dysentery are caused due to improper disposal of waste. Student, HDAOERAIR. So diseases like, it is blank, typhoid and dysentery are caused due to improper disposal of waste. HDAOERAIR. What it is? Diarrhea. Student. Now fourth, dash of, it is blank, of waste pollutes the air. Here it is written, unscramble word, RNBNGIU. What it is? It is burning. Burning. Now fifth one, the waste that gets choked in drains give off a dash smell. UFLO. What it is? FOUL. Foul. Blank, it is in the garbage mixed with the underground water, causing water pollution. Unscramble, HEMCILCSA. What it is? Chemicals. 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 Now next, Public services provided by the it is blank help in proper disposal of waste. Student, here it is written UNMIICLPA ROOCPATRNOY. What it is? Student, it is municipal corporation. Municipal corporation. Now next, it is blank. Water allows mosquito to lay their eggs, later resulting in diseases like malaria and dengue. Here it is written TASGANNT. So what it is? Stagnant. Stagnant. So student, this was worksheet activity. So this worksheet activity completed. So this part completed. Thank you.